Hello traders, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Welcome back traders. In this video, we are going to be taking an objective look at Gold Impulse AI, an expert advisor designed specifically for trading gold, symbol XAUUSD. This review is for MetaTrader 5 as listed on the MQL5 Marketplace. As always, our goal in this video is not to sell you on this tool or persuade you to use it, but to break down the product listing, analyze its settings, and review some historical backtest data so you can make an informed decision for your own trading setup. So looking directly at the MQL5 Marketplace listing, Gold Impulse AI is developed by Dmitry Evgenovich Co. and is currently priced at 699 US dollars with 5 activations. The developer notes that the system is built around a hybrid approach, combining volatility analysis with an algorithm called the neural score filter. It is categorized as an impulse trend following algorithm targeting XAUUSD with recommended timeframes of either M15 or H1. Now moving down the product page into the core features, the author highlights three main structural elements which are the neural score filter, volatility normalized, or rather normalization, and the risk engine. First, the neural score filter is described as a signal rating system. Instead of relying on a single indicator trigger, the EA evaluates momentum, trend, and volume scores, executing a trade only when the combined rating passes a set threshold called neural threshold. Now, from a trader's perspective, this type of filtering aims to reduce trades during quiet or noisy market conditions, prioritizing entries where multiple factors align. Second, the system incorporates volatility normalization via the average true range indicator or ATR. Protection parameters like stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop are tied directly to market volatility. This design allows the EA's protection levels to expand during volatile conditions and contract during calmer periods, taking market noise into account rather than using static point distances. Third, we have the Smart Risk Engine. This includes a built-in daily control feature that monitors daily profits and loss, automatically stopping trading for the day if a preset percentage limit such as plus or minus 4% is reached. Now it also features an auto lot function that calculates position size dynamically based on your chosen risk percentage per trade. All right. Additionally, trade management includes a two-level protection mechanism, a break-even module to lock in trades after reaching a specified distance, and an adaptive trailing stop based on ATR. Looking at the input parameters shown on the page, you have control over risk percent, daily profit and loss limits, a time filter optimized by default for the London and New York sessions, and the neural threshold sensitivity setting. Increasing the threshold increases signal quality requirements, though it naturally reduces overall trade frequency. Now, let us transition into our historical backtest analysis to see how these settings and features translates into actual trade execution. So we are reviewing a historical test conducted on MetaTrader 5 using H1 data for XAUUSD covering the period from January 1, 2026 through July 24, 2026. The test was run on a $10,000 initial deposit with 1:500 leverage and achieved 100% history quality rating. The inputs used during this test had risk percent set at 0.3%, stop loss at 1,300 points, take profit at 3,600 points, the break even set to activate at 200 points with a 10-point distance. We can see the input settings here. The 10-point distance, the trailing distance at 250 points with a step of 20, an ATR period of 14, and a moving average period of 50. So, examining the historical trade logs and chart behavior after the test completed, we can observe how the strategy executes in practice. The trade records show distinct long and short entries labeled with AI buy and AI sell comments. The entries occur in quick succession during active sessions, demonstrating the impulse nature of the algorithm. So looking at the position duration, the minimal holding time observed was just 8 seconds, while the maximum holding time was 4 hours and 18 minutes. Right? We can be able to see the trade logs here. Okay, in this report, the report is actually downloadable from the MT5 platform. All right. So it is also, possible to observe the break-even and trailing mechanisms at work in the trade log. Okay, so the maximum holding time around 4 hours and 18 minutes and overall average holding time of 8 minutes and 35 seconds. This short duration indicates that the system primarily operates as a short-term impulse scalper, taking advantage of quick market moves and exiting rapidly. Okay, multiple trades show exit prices equal to or slightly above the entry point, tagged with stop loss notes, confirming that the EA actively adjusts stop loss levels to lock in capital as price moves favorably. The trade history also shows isolated single position executions without evidence of grid building, martingale lot multiplier progression, or sitting out severe drawdowns. Now, let me just break down the historical backtest results and key performance metrics. Over the tested period, the historical net profit reached $9,896.51 on the $10,000 deposit, representing a 98.9% return over approximately 7 months. Total trades executed came out to 3,293, showing a high level of market engagement. Out of those 3,293 trades, 2,869 were profitable, resulting in a win rate of 87.12%. Specifically, short trades won 86.91% of the time across 1,826 trades, and long trades won 87.39% across 1,467 trades. The profit factor for the test came in at 1.56, with a gross profit of $27,420.13 against a gross loss of $17,524.62. Now, from a risk management perspective, drawdown metrics are particularly important. The maximal balance drawdown was $767.52 or 4.27%, while the maximal equity drawdown was $782.88 or 4.35%. A low relative drawdown during a period of significant equity growth contributed to a high recovery factor of 12.64 and a Sharpe ratio of 14.8. Now, looking at the win-loss distribution, the average profit trade was $9.56 compared to an average loss trade of $41.33. This reflects the scalping nature of the strategy. The win rate is high, but when a full stop loss is hit before break even or trailing stop activation, the loss per trade is larger than the typical quick profit target. The maximum consecutive win streak reached 39 trades, while the maximum consecutive losses stayed at 4 trades. It's crucial to remember that these are historical backtest results reflecting past performance under specific modeling conditions. Historical performance is never a guarantee of future live results. Real world execution involves factors like live spread conditions, live spread variations, slippage during fast impulse moves, broker execution speeds, latency, and changing overall market regimes. In conclusion, Gold Impulse AI for MT5 presents an automated approach to trading gold by combining volatility based parameters with multi factor signal filtering. The historical test highlights strong growth with low drawdown driven by a high win rate and active trade management. However, its reliance on quick executions means performance will depend heavily on low spread, low latency execution environments. This EA may be worth evaluating for traders interested in short term gold scalping who value structured daily risk limits and volatility adjusted exit parameters. As always, I strongly recommend running your own extended backtests across different historical periods and forward testing the system on a demo account before considering any live application. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.